Hi, this is Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp. It's our Introduction to HTML course, and this video is about the main tag. We just finished talking about the header tag and the footer tag, and the main tag fits right along with those. Of course, all HTML tags are structural. We have tags that divide the whole document into sections for the head and the body. And then we have headlines and paragraphs, and all of these things describe the structure of the document. And we just talked about the header tag, which tells us which part of the document is the header. The footer tag tells us which part of the document is the footer. And now the main tag is going to tell us which is the main part of the document, where most of the content is, or all the, the content. And this makes the document more accessible to alternative forms of reading the document. They have browsers for the blind and that sort of thing. It also makes it more accessible to bots, search engines, Google. So when we mark a section of our document as main, we're doing a lot of good. So let's do that here. In this Scratchpad document we're making, after the header, that's where the main content starts, and it ends right before the footer starts. It's where all the main content is. And this doesn't really change anything as far as the visual clues inside the browser. Like, I just saved that. Let's go over here and refresh it. No change, right? But in terms of structure, the document has a more well-defined structure now, and that's good. Good for search engines, good for accessibility. All right, let's just go ahead and do a sanity check here. Let's copy, and we're going to validate it with our validation service by direct input. Okay. Oh, look, I did it wrong. The end tag main scene, but there were open elements. Okay. So it says close main, close footer, end tag main scene, but there were open elements. I see. I opened a div here, and I closed the div after the footer. So you have nested tags, but you can't have tags crossing over each other. All right, so let's move this closed div up. That div should close before main closes. All right. And I believe that's all the problem. I'm going to select that again and copy it again. Let's see. Green now. The validator is a lifesaver. I should use it more often than I do, clearly. All right. Main, right? You got your header tag, your footer tag, and your main tag, and that divides the body part of your document into sections that makes the document more accessible. Thank you.